Hello everyone, my name is Youssef and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. In today's class, we will learn how to design posters with Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop CC. In poster number 1, we will design a duotone poster, and the second poster will be a typographic one with a gradient applied to the classic text. The third poster will be a sports poster with a dynamic look achieved by Adobe Illustrator, and you will learn how to edit color grade or color correction to your images, and how to align graphics in Adobe Illustrator, and how to export your final files in different formats like PNG, JPEG, and more. More posters are coming in the way. Get your seat now and take the full course with lifetime access and 30-day money back guarantee.